What's the ideate on solution step for a product lifecycle? It's one of the steps in the 9 steps of a product manager's product lifecycle. This talks about working or workshopping with different teams to reach an idea or a solution that you think would solve the problem you have identified. The first step, you identified a problem and then you understood it in a lot more depth. Now you are figuring out the solution for it. So this could be in the form of design thinking or brainstorming workshops with your designers and engineers, or with like other product teams, because it could be a cross team effort. It could also result in some algorithms that you have identified. So here's one example from one of my writings of an algorithm that I had like identified and built. And here's an example of a mock-up that I had worked on in a previous role and built for usability testing or for getting feedback from stakeholders. So here are all different ways to work with designers, engineers, other product teams to figure out what's the right solution for the problem that you're trying to solve. Some keywords that you can use to highlight your work in ideating on solution are here in the list here.